Let's do a quick review before we move on. In this chapter, we reviewed the entire permissions page from start to finish. Now you have an idea of all of the permissions that we can set for a role. We set up a new guide role using a few of these permissions. We didn't need very many. We reviewed several ways to pose as another user, and in the end, install the Masquerade module and use another browser in order to do some testing. And finally, we ran into an issue with text formats and talked about the role of text formats in our Drupal site. If you want a few challenges before you move on to the next chapter, you could give the guide role permission to add and modify their own basic page, and then test it using a browser where you're logged in as Joey using the Masquerade module. Next, you could give more permissions to the guides to edit taxonomy terms for just the tour type vocabulary, and see what that changes in the interface for them. And finally, and we're going to be doing this in the next videos, you could fix the issue with the image tag not displaying for our new tour node. And when you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next chapter.